Good morning children, welcome to our science EVS of first class. In this lesson we have to know about the lesson water. Water is very precious, because of that we can't live anything. Any 1 hour or 2 hours we should need water, air, water, compulsory we should need. We cannot breathe once again, we can die. We cannot drink water, we can also lose our healthiness. Then we have to know, we have to use many uses of water. That examples in our daily life, how can we get water? Yes, most of the students are saying from the taps only, because of we have to, in our homes we have to getting the water from the taps only. In the taps, how can they get? What is the source of water? Yes, very good. The main source of water is, what is that? Rain. What is rain? When it is coming, the rainy season rains will comes to that. How can the rains coming? How it is clouds forming? Yes, in the summer the water takes up on the sky. The little drops form into that clouds. When that air will move gently, the water will flow down on the air. That is called rain. Water source, main source of water is rain. How we can get from the rainy season? In that rain, we have to fill to our rivers, lakes, or etc. The rivers or lakes are filled with the water. In that underground, water level will increase. If we not put water, storage water, the underground water level will decrease. In that 2-3 years maybe have we not get sufficient rain, then we have to decrease the groundwater level. That we can use the groundwater. How can we can use by the digging of wells and put the bore wells too. We have to take upon water. Yes, we have to digging the wells. Digging the bore wells, we have to take up the water. The lakes, rivers, getting water from the rain, we have to fill. When rain will come, the rain water we have to store it. Now, what are the qualities of water? Water has no color, it has no fixed shape. It is have a fixed shape. It has any taste, like so sweet. No, it is that no have any taste. It don't have any shape. When we pour into water bottle, the water in shape in water bottle shape. When we put in bucket, the bucket water of bucket, mug of water, bucket of water we can call. It don't have any fixed shape. And that it has any smell? No. What is the uses of water? We use water for many things. We should use for drinking, cooking, etc. Drinking, cooking, etc. That is, we have to save our water, because the water level will going disappear. Because of we have to pollute the water. To waste materials sent to the lakes, rivers, the water will polluted. The water we have to taking that water we polluted means our health will illness. Health goes up to illness. We use water for drinking. We should always drink clean water. We should drink always clean water. Without clean water, maybe fall sick like diarrhea, like typhoid. We had that like diseases will come. We use water for cooking. Yes, we have to cook water for cooking also. We have to prepare the tasty dishes. We have to prepare the different types of rice. We use water for bathing also. Yes, every morning we have to taking bath. And we have to use for cleaning also. We have to walk to our house, no? Then we use water. And we use water for washing clothes. We use water for watering plants. Yes. And saving water. How can we save the water? You know that? How can we save the water? Yes, we need water every day. We should use it in our daily survival. Yes, do not keep the tap running while brushing. We should do not on the tap while we are brushing. We use bucket and mug for taking a bath or taking a shower bath. Yes, we should not always not open the tap while we are taking bath. We should use a bucket or mug. After that we have to take a bath. Takes as much water in a glass. Takes how can you want water? You have to take. See, I will show you some pictures. I will show to you some pictures. This is, see, we need water to drinking. We should always drink clean water. We use for cooking also water. We use bathing, used to water, mopping to homes, cleaning the house, and washing clothes, and watering the plants. We have to use the plants to watering plants. And while we have to brushing, we do not on the tap. How can we want the water? We can on the tap and we have to close the tap. And we have to take mug and bucket to the bathing on the shower, and we have to off the shower while we want to on the shower also, because of water is a precious. And next one, we use how much water we have to take some glass of water as you drink, as you want to drink. Take as much water in a glass as you want to drink. See, don't waste the water. And this is the one more picture is there. See, what is that? The sprinkling. Waste water will have to put the water into the plants. If there is water left in the water bottle, we use water to the plants and trees. Here it is one table. Match the following is there, 71 page. See the children. One picture is there and column is there. See second side, watering plants, drinking, bathing, washing. See what is this? Bathing. Where it is? Third one. A to third. You have to match. Second one, cooking. Yes or no? Cooking or washing? Yes, vegetable washing. Washing means fourth, 2 to 4. Third one, watering plants. Where it is? First one. Third to first. Fourth one, drinking. Fourth to 2. Drinking water. Yes or no? Yes. Now you have to match the columns, and you should complete write the sentence. See what is the summary of the lesson. I will show to you. This is water. What is the source? Main source of water? Rain, rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans, waterfalls. These are the source of water. This is the uses of water. How can we use the water? Drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing, watering plants. These are the uses of water. This is the source of water. Water is to, how can we get source of water? Rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, ocean, waterfalls. Here it, what is the uses of water? We use for drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing, watering plants. Next, main. So main it is that what is the qualities of water? It has no shape, no color, it has no taste, no smell. Is it not? Yes. And what we can use water properly? We have to save the water. We use water wisely. Yes or no? Yes. This is about the water. Water is very, very precious to us. We have to use properly. See here, word body is there, digging to make a hole in the ground. It is the called, and one more word body is there, teapot, to make water flow into a jar or glass. To make water flow into a jar or glass. Poured means. Is it right? Okay. Up to here we have to complete water lesson. Up to here in this lesson you should complete as well as application book and make properly. And what are the activities are given to you, you should complete. the last session we have to complete our total lessons. Okay.